Hi everyone, this is Sanat, and today I have something a little bit fun planned. So what we're going to do is show you what Attio, the CRM, looks like in action with Persona, which we're going to use for data enrichment. If you're not familiar with these tools, Attio is a kind of new age CRM. It's built to be nimble. It's built to work easily with AI. It's built for automation. Persona is a data, it's I would call it an enrichment and orchestration tool. What that all that means is that it has data sources integrated. So if I get a lead, for example, we can automatically add information about that lead. And if you've heard of Clay, it's quite similar to that. So today I'm going to show a basic integration. I just want to show what this looks like in action. Um, so if we go to the next slide, so what we're going to be doing is a lead gen example. So I'm going to receive leads from a form that I have. Those leads are going to automatically be enriched by Persona, and then they're going to be sent to Attio with that enriched data. Lead gen form, data enrichment, and then finally, in CRM, so we can actually use it. So what I want to do is jump right into it. So first, I want to show you. So the person we're going to be looking at today is Jacob Bank from Relay.app. Relay.app is an awesome automation app. You should definitely check it out if you want to improve your productivity and your team's productivity. But anyway, I want to show you right now. It doesn't exist in our CRM. So if I, uh, oh, sorry, one sec. Don't know why the shortcut's not working, but anyway, so if I look up, okay, so we can see there's no Jacob Bank, and let's look up Relay. Okay, so we can see there's nothing there. So let's jump right into it. On the left here, I have my lead gen form, and on the right, oh sorry, I have the lead gen form here. On the right here, I have my persona. So you can see it looks like a spreadsheet basically. And once I submit this form, this will automatically be pushed to persona. So I want to show you that now. But what I want to show you is what we're trying to do is enrich one specific attribute about the Attio records. So if I just show you what I mean by that, if I click on enrichment, so this is the instructions we've given it. So go to the domain, figure out the software features the software has, figure out what differentiates the most. Because we're selling to SaaS companies, so we want to better understand what differentiates them, so we can personalize their messaging towards that. So now let's do the example. So you'll see right now uh, we're at 17. Uh, Now I'm gonna do the form. Relay.app. Jacob at relay.app. Submit. Okay, now that I've submitted it, you'll remember that we were at 17. Now we're at 18. Um, I'm doing a basic one, by the way. So there's some really cool stuff that I'm going to show in the next coming weeks, but I want to keep this one simple. So if I look at the answer here, um, it's giving us a really thorough explanation of why this stands out, including the reasoning. So that's what happens in Relay. Now, if I go to my Attio and I look up, just need a second, look up Jacob. Now you can see that we have Jacob. If I just click it to Jacob, so now we can see his profile. If I just click on the company, Okay, so if I click show up, oh, sorry, the this is the property. So um, if I just make this a little bit bigger, okay, so here's that information we were talking about. So now if one of our salespeople is calling this company, we have some background and context for what's happening. But yeah, that's basically the integration in action. If I go back to my slides, the fill out form, the persona, and Attio. So that covers just the non-technical portion. If you're interested in the how the build was happening, stick around now. I'll kind of give you an overview. But yeah, if you're looking for just an overview, then thanks for watching. But yeah, if you're looking for a little bit more in depth, let's just go into it. So if we look at the actual way this works is, we fill out the lead form. We have the request that we send, and the webhook basically, it's received in Persona. We do the enrichment. We then have a webhook that links us to Attio. We update it, and it's enriched. Excuse me, it enriches. So, this flow is pretty straightforward. I'll just show you the automation in Attio. So I have it here. So it's a pretty straightforward kind of webhook, and then a breakdown. So we get the webhook. Um, so we get that from Persona, or sorry, we send that to Persona. Then we just have to in Attio parse the JSON, and then we create an or update a company record. We create or update people related to that. So yeah, that's the flow in a nutshell. If you have any questions about how to apply it, how to build it, just reach out to me. I'm happy to chat with people about how to do this. I love this stuff. I'm very passionate about it. So yeah, thanks for watching.